What's up guys, welcome back. So today's video is gonna be a plan with me for the June month. I usually plan my month every time, so I thought why not share with you guys how I plan my month. So I'm a bit excited, so without any further ado, make sure you like, share and subscribe. So let's get started. So guys, I bought this color bright papers, A4 size papers from Flipkart, and the actual prices was about 9.99, but I got it for almost about 150 or something, and it is made in India. I really liked the colors whatever I got. There are 100 sheets in number and 10 colors each, that is 10 papers per color, and I really liked the colors which I got. And like, if you want them, I will be linking them in the description below, so do check it out. So they are really amazing, and the paper quality was also very good, as I have seen, and I felt adding 150 rupees for such kind of papers will be bit benefited. And I really liked a pink color paper, so I thought why not plan my June month on pink color paper. And इट्स लाइक सीरियसली मैं इतनी पागल हो गई थी कि मैं उस पेपर्स में इतनी पागल हो गई कि मैं पीछे का कवर ही ऑन ओपन नहीं किया था, वो पेपर ही बर्बाद हो गया। अब मुझे दिमाग में आया कि बेटा आरती, मुझे पीछे का वो कवर निकाल के निकालना था, और मैं इतना क्यों कर रही हूँ फास्ट फॉरवर्ड में। चलो हाँ, सो दिस इज़ द पेपर विच आई गॉट, एंड मैंने पूरा कवर को ही फाड़ दिया है। ओ माई गॉड, मैं इतनी वो हूँ। ओके, सो लेट्स कम इन द प्लानिंग ऑफ द मंथ, एंड दिस इज़ लाइक काइंड ऑफ अ बुक वेयर आई राइट ऑल माई यूट्यूब ideas and type of videos I want to make, and I'm going to use that as support. And the materials which I'm using here is a pencil, eraser, which are very common, and a scale for making the lines and all, and or obviously a pen or any kind of sketch pens if required. Like, currently I'm thinking to write with the help of pen, but if I will be needing the sketch pens, I would surely use them. And I've like seen from Google the June month calendar as a box, and I'm gonna prepare it like that, but in a bit bigger size. So I'm like a bit doing it with my pencil and making the lines and borders with pencil. Later on, if possible, I'll make it with the help of sketch pens. Like always, I try my best to make my plan with me calendar or something as attractive as possible, because like seeing them I get productivity and all. So right now I made the boxes as shown, and I decided to write the name, that is June. And if you want, you can use these brush pens. It is like about 95 rupees, but now I am currently using these sketch pens because I am not much practice with using the calligraphy pens, so I decided why not use it with normal sketch pens. So right now I decided first write down with pencil and make an outline with the help of sketch pen. So here you go, how I wrote my June month, lol. I didn't write it anything professionally or something, but I just like wrote it as I write my daily notes and all. And I did it, and I rubbed the white pencil lines whatever were there. And right now I'm writing the dates with the help of a blue pen, and this is like my favorite blue pen. But I thought like I would write it with sketch pen, but I thought writing everything with sketch pen would become like a bit cringy. And guys, I did one mistake here. Instead of writing this side, I wrote this side. Wow. Now I'm giving another quote for the lines whatever I drew with the help of a pencil, with the help of a sketch pen now. So if you like kind of ask the reasons why I'm planning my month every time like this, and sometimes people say that we can't follow the same for the whole month, right? But what I feel so for this is like seeing them, we get like our whole month will get planned, like kind of thing. So that's why I started doing this from the month of Jan of 2021. I felt like let's do it from this year, and I felt it really beneficial. Guys, you can also try it. It's not like doing it daily, whatever we wrote there particularly we have to do it daily. We may a bit delay it next, so I'm gonna like kind of tell you what that secret tip now, so just go ahead. So right now I started writing what all things I have to write, but mainly whatever things I'm gonna write here is the type of video I have to shoot on that day, and second thing is what subject I have to study. And guys, like kind of it's not so compulsory to follow the same thing. We can delay it a bit. Like shooting those videos can be delayed as per my choice. And here I have like kind of left 2 days, that is for June 8th and June 9th. If suppose I'm not able to do the particular video or particular subject studying on that day, I can like kind of bit shift it to that particular 8th and 9th day. So this was a secret tip which I wanted to share with you guys. So like kind of after you write some, you can like leave 2 to 3 days. If you're not able to do it on that particular day, you can delay it and do it for the further dates which we have left behind. So I am done for 6th, 7th and 10th and 11th. 8th and 9th I have told the secret tip which I did. And right now I'm bit referring what type of videos I can do. And guys, if you have not subscribed my channel, do subscribe. We are close to 100 subscribers. And that was the first goal which I wanted to accomplish. So I guess you guys can surely make me reach 100 subscribers, and I'm like kind of continuing the same. And after I complete this, I will show you a picture so that if you can see how I planned my month. And I am like kind of writing all, I am trying to cover all the subjects here in a month, because like in the July month we may have the PT tests, so I have to prepare for them. So like I'm going ahead. So guys, I've left some spaces here for the 8, 9, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26 and 27, 28, 29, 30 will be like kind of free days. And I'll be like kind of bit shooting videos is like bit not possible that time. So yeah, so like kind of I left all these spaces. So as I told you, like if I have to delay something or thing, I can do that. Guys, you can like kind of check how I planned my month, and if yes you have liked my video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up and make sure you subscribe my channel. We are close to 100 subscribers guys, and share it with all your friends and family members. I will be coming up with a new video, and take care and bye guys.